the unveiling a tech lover's ritual. There's a certain thrill. It's like the first day of school. We get new tech, we unbox it. It's exciting. Today we explore the iPhone 16 and Mac Mini. Get ready for an ASMR experience. Let's dive in. Unboxing is more than just opening a package. It's a sensory experience. It's about the feel of the box. It's about the sound of the seal breaking. It's about the anticipation building. Let's unbox. The iPhone 16 box feels smooth and sleek. The Apple logo gleams. We gently lift the lid. Whoosh! The familiar scent of new tech hits us. Peeling off the protective film is so satisfying. The smooth glass beneath feels cool to the touch. We power it on. The Apple logo appears. It's mesmerizing. Next up, the Mac Mini. This tiny box packs a punch. We carefully remove the outer packaging. It's like unwrapping a present. The aluminum unibody feels cool and sturdy. We plug it in, eager to explore its power. The setup is a breeze. Mac Mini, you're a tech lover's dream. The iPhone 16 and Mac Mini are a powerful duo. They work seamlessly together. AirDrop makes file sharing a breeze. Universal Control lets us use one keyboard and mouse for both devices. For laptop lovers, this is a game changer. We can use our iPhone for quick tasks. We can use our Mac Mini for heavy-duty work. It's the best of both worlds. In conclusion, unboxing these Apple devices is an ASMR experience. The sounds, the textures, the anticipation, it's all part of the fun. And when we integrate them into our laptop setup, our tech game reaches a whole new level.